Good morning, guys. So it's basically pouring down like no man's business, and yeah, I'm not looking forward to it. Oh, but yeah, today I have like 3 lectures. So this is the one I'm gonna attend. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but so I'm in the classroom now. There's literally no one here. I came 30 minutes early, I'm not gonna lie, so that's probably why. But yeah, as I said, I have 3 lectures today. 2 of them will be in this room, and then another one is a asynchronous one. And then, yeah, we will see what I'm gonna do today. I'm probably gonna head to the library afterwards and do some work in preparation for tomorrow. I have placement tomorrow, so yes, I'm really tired. But it's gonna be a good day, even though it's raining, which I don't like at all. But yeah.
Okay, should I open
You
the
got
umbrella?
some freebies if you can open up the umbrella.
The way I'm showing the umbrella is a freebie, bro.
No, not the umbrella, I mean the thing. Oh yeah, we
Bruh.
can do that inside, we can do that inside.
Hold it.
Wait, is my scarf pink? Am I seeing things?
You are. I think you should get your eyes checked.
Oh my god, I can't see. Oh no, it's the reflection of this pink thing. That is like shining on my umbrella, shining on my scarf.
There's a bit of a tint.
Oh
Like
gosh.
a slight, but
Oh well. We finally came back from a little walk because we were very, very bored. So I don't want to shout. But these are some of the things that we got. They're having like, what do you call it?
a poncho.
Oh,
Oh, they're having oh, you mean the stalls?
Yeah, like stools.
They just have a bunch of stuff in the hive, for like new students, right?
Yeah.
So, and yeah.
So what's this one?
It's a poncho.
What's a poncho?
It's like those cloaks to wear to go out.
Really?
Yeah, you can open yours because I can't yours.
No, I don't want to open because it'd be hard to close it, but yeah, we got this. And then we got, I don't want to show them the city, but we got a notebook as well from one of the stores. Then we got a pen.
Got a bunch of leaflets which probably does say the city on.
Yeah, that's for sure. But yeah, it's just a bunch of like student discount, bus tickets, shenanigans. Then I got this refreshers.
It's vegan.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it says on the back if you turn it around.
I can't tell.
Is it
I just says it says soya, like you can contain soya.
I see. Look, it says V for vegan.
Oh, I can read it.
You need glasses.
I just saw it was green, and I was like, yeah, sure. I don't know what that means. yeah, so now we're on our way home here with my sister. We got some food from this African auntie that we know who sells food on our campus, so that is good. Hello guys, so it's a couple of hours later, much later. It's around, I guess, 11 p.m. now. Yeah, 11 p.m. now, and I'm gonna make some lunch for tomorrow. I have placement tomorrow, so that's what I'm making now. I did do some more study when I got home. I have a research paper that is due sometime next year, but they have like one of those like signs off next month, so I'm just trying to sort of look through that and what I'm going to do my research project on and stuff like that. So that's what I've been doing. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a different style of vlog compared to my other ones, but I just want to try something new. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Bye.